Hey guys, it's your girl the Great Tete, and as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to show you guys the best way to apply press-on nails at home. So welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and if it's not, welcome back. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just wiping off my nails with my natural nails with nail polish remover, just to get them all clean and stuff. And these press-on nails, I got them from the beauty supply store. It comes with the nail glue. I think it's 24 that came in the pack, but obviously I won't be using all 24 because I don't have 24 fingers. So I'm just fitting the nails, just trying to ensure that I have the proper fit. So I put the 10 that I'll be using aside, and I'm just showing you what it is supposed to look like when they are properly fitted to my finger. And so now I'm just buffing down my nails, and this is very important, you guys, because when you do this and then when you apply the glue after, the press-on nails will last longer. Okay, so this is very important. So I'm just buffing my natural nails, and I'm using that, I don't know the correct name for it, but I'm just using it to align my cuticles, just to get them all straight and neat. So whenever I apply the press-on nails, it's gonna look neat, you know what I mean. So I'm doing the same thing with the fingers on my other hand. It really doesn't matter which one you do first. You can buff your nails down first, and then you can align your cuticles, or you can align your cuticles first and then you buff it down after. It really doesn't matter, you guys. And please don't judge my fingers, okay? I bite my nails and I can't help it. um, yeah, I've ever since I've known myself, I've been biting my nails. So it's a thing, okay? I can't help it. So don't judge my fingers. So now I'm gonna start by applying the glue to my natural nail. So that's the nail glue that came with the press-on nails. And then I just press the nail on. So because I'm right-handed, I started with my left hand. No, I started, yeah, I start because I'm right-handed. I started with my right hand. So I use my left hand to apply the nails to my right hand first, because it's easier for me to use my right hand to apply the nails to my left hand. So yeah, that's what I did first. So if you're right-handed, I would suggest to put the nails on your right hand first, because if you have the nails on your left hand first, it's gonna be hard to use your left hand to apply the nails on your right hand, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so as you can see here, I'm just applying the nails, the press-on nails to my natural nails, and I just place the glue on my natural nail, and then I press the nails on. And trust me, you guys, it's gonna stay. Somehow I was having a hard time with my ring finger. I don't know why. When I put the nail on, it fell off, but don't worry, I fixed it after the fact. So yeah, also you guys, be sure to check out my other videos. I have tons of other interesting videos, so check those out. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and hit that bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new contents. And leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this video, and also let me know of any other content you would love to see on my channel. And also follow me on Instagram, you guys, at the Great Tay. So it's at DGreatDaye. So this is a nail that I was telling you guys about. Like, it fell off, but I fixed it. Don't worry. I didn't put enough glue, so that's the reason why it fell off. So I just like buffed it, my natural nail again, added the glue, and then I applied the press-on nail and I'm good to go. So you guys, these press-on nails can last up to 2 weeks. You know, they can last up to 2 weeks. The way how I do it, it will last you for a long time. But I would suggest for you to, if you're going out and about, I would suggest for you to bring your nail glue in your purse, okay? Just in case you have an accident. Because if you bump your nail somewhere or whatever, it's a possibility that it will fall off, okay? And if you have your glue, then you can just apply your glue and then you can press it back on. So that would be my suggestion. But aside apart from that, it will last you up to 1.5 to 2 weeks. Comment below, you guys, if you're like me, if you bite your nails. I want to know if I'm the only one who does this. And also, if you used to bite your nails and you stopped, let me know what you did to stop biting your nails, because I've tried and trust me, it's really, really hard. So comment below. Let me know if you bite your nails. Let me know if you used to bite your nails and you have stopped. And let me know what you did to stop biting your nails, because honestly, it's a really, really bad habit of mine. And I would love to stop doing it. But as I said before, it's really, really hard. So let me know, you guys. Help a sister out. So now that I'm done applying all the nails to all my fingers, I'm just gonna put some Jamaican castor oil to my cuticles. You can use cuticle oil if you have it, but I don't have cuticle oil, so I use the Jamaican castor oil. If you have coconut oil, that will work as well, you know. But this is what the nails look like after, you guys. It's really, really cute. It looks almost as if I went to the nail salon. So I'm loving it, you guys. So you can do this from your home. It's super fast and super easy to do. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay blessed and keep motivated. Thanks for watching.